We are looking at how to pronounce this word in English with the never-ending question: do you pronounce the T in the word or is it silent? The short answer is that the T used to be pronounced in English, but that's a long time ago. Nowadays, no one hardly ever pronounces it anymore. Just like in words like listen, soften, often. So the short answer is that you normally say it as Christmas. Christmas. You can say Christmas. It's not technically incorrect, but it's just simply not used very often. Christmas is how you say it. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, Christmas-related words. I'll see you there to learn more.